Welcome from the past. I promise you, when you're watching this, it's 2018. But right now, it's 2017. Weird, right? Seriously, take 5, look at your phone. The date's going to say it's 2018. Then come back to me.
Reach the wizard.
And that's why I'm here. I want to talk about MTM, my channel in 2017. 3 disclaimers I've got. Disclaimer number 1, I'm using the front-facing camera on my iPhone, which is kind of a super no-no, I think. Disclaimer number 2, I'm out of shape. There might be a little bit of huffing and puffing just because I'm trying to trek through all this white crap here. You can see it here. It snowed on Vancouver Island. Here's a fun fact for you though. When you go through the airport and they say you can't carry on liquids, what if you were to take like a 500 ml water bottle, freeze it solid to a chunk of ice? Can you carry it through security then? Don't know. It's no longer a liquid, right? Holy smokes, deep. And the third one, I gotta switch arms here. Telling you about is my face. I'm getting older, turning 45 here in a couple of months. So wife's got me some anti-aging cream that I put on today. So if I start to look younger throughout this video, it's not you. It's just the cream. So not to worry. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you who come here to watch my videos. I really, truly appreciate it. I do, honestly. If you come here for the Weimaraner videos, or if you come here for just the general shenanigans, it's all the same to me. I really have fun doing this. Especially a lot of my hardcore fans. You know who you are. Guys that help me out a lot, like Sandy and Newfi. Those guys, thank you personally. 2017, my sub count went way up. Awesome. Got some new toys. Right on. Look at how smooth this is. It's great. Except my arm's starting to get sore. I was actually on a real TV show. I know, it was insane. I really enjoyed it. Speaking of that, the cool thing is, most importantly, I had fun. I enjoyed sharing some stories with you. Just little sneak peeks and stuff. Speaking of, here's a quick recap. 2017. Enjoy. 2018, what's in store for MTM's channel? Don't know. You guys are there already. You tell me. Comment down below if you have any suggestions or comments you want to see for 2018, because I'm stuck back here in 2017 right now. Anyways, lots of plans coming up. For those of you who know me as the guy that makes the Weimaraner videos that make the rounds on the Facebook and stuff like that, lots more Weimaraner videos to come. Right now I'm currently in negotiations with these two here. Where are we at? Oh, wrong way. Right there. She's got her nose buried in the snow. But we're talking right now, contract negotiations. There's talk about more Scooby snacks, longer walks, more time in my wife and I's bed. You know, the usual stuff that you have to deal with every year with the talent here. Right on. And also, I've got a huge project I'm working on for next summer. But you're gonna have to stick around to see that. All right, as always, guys, really thank you so much for watching my videos. It really means a lot to me. Really appreciate it, and see you guys in the future.
What the hell was that?